Mikey writes, what happened to the EXR? I heard IGSBA banned it from competition because it was too powerful. My understanding of the Rec Light series was they wanted the Rec Lights, being the Sparks and the EXs, to not only be competitive one to another, but they also wanted them, in worst case scenario, to be able to go out on the field with the sport class, the sport GP guys. And you'll have to correct me on this one. I don't claim to know all the answers, but my understanding of sport is that aren't they capped at 1100 cc's?
I'm not sure.
Okay. All right. I believe they're capped at 1100 unless there is another, because you start getting into the 1300s, then you're like GP 1300R, and there's no way on God's green earth that a GP 1300R should be on the same track with a bunch of guys on XP or HXs and wave blasters. So I think the cap was at 1100, and they were just trying to keep the playing field a little level. Now, I have not heard whether EXR has been ousted. I haven't looked at the IGSBA rulebook in a while. Quite frankly, I'm emotionally checked out from IGSBA. And so, yeah, 1100 for Rec Light. Thank you, Mikey. Okay. Viper is sled. Okay, thank you, Matt. All right. Well, okay, I wasn't terribly off. But yeah, I'll have to look into it. If you want to email me and send me the ruling that IGSBA kicked EXR out, I think it sucks because I think the EXR was one of my favorite Yamahas for 2 years. I was personally bummed that Jet Blaster replaced EXR because I think EXR had legs. I think the EXR could have gone a lot longer. Hey guys, thanks for hanging out. This clip was taken from our weekly podcast that we record here every Sunday night at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you want to watch the whole video, you can go to the Watercraft Journal's YouTube channel, go to playlists, and then click on live sessions. You're going to see it there. Otherwise, go ahead and leave a like, a comment, and definitely subscribe to the channel. It helps us grow. And again, thanks again for watching our videos, and we hope to see you soon.